Hey everyone, in today's video, my daughter Lucy and I are going to be replacing the right rear turn signal light on our 2010 Dodge Grand Caravan. We got the signal on the dash saying that it was out, and then you can also hear when you flip your blinker to the right that it blinks double speed, letting you know that there's something wrong with it. So the first step is getting the right bulb. You can go online and find it. You can go to a Walmart or auto parts store and look through the catalog and find what you need. And the next part will be taking off the light assembly, getting in there, replacing the bulb, and putting it back together. So we're going to start taking apart the light assembly. I'll go ahead and turn the camera around and show you where we begin. Okay, so your taillight assembly on a Caravan is held in by two screws. You got one on the top, one on the bottom, and they're both Allen head screws, so you need an Allen wrench set or an Allen wrench individually to get it out. So we're going to go ahead and take those two screws out, and then the light assembly will just pop right out. Go ahead, Lucy, take those out. Okay, so you got the 5/32 Allen wrench there, and go ahead and take those two out. All right, now we got righty tighty lefty Lucy figured out. We're ready to go here. Okay, now that those screws are out, Lucy's gonna go ahead and pull the taillight assembly out. It's just kind of held in by some friction, I don't know what you call them, knobs toward the front side, but you can just kind of give it a jerk and pull it out. It's pretty easy. And then look in here, you got the reverse light is on top, and then your tail light and blinker light are on the bottom. So we're gonna go ahead and get to that tail and blinker light. You just basically take the assembly there and you turn it counterclockwise to loosen it, and the light bulb will pop out there. So go ahead and do that. There you go, there's your light. Okay, to pull out the bulb, it's just held in there by friction. So you kind of wheel it side to side, it should pull right out. Just about. There you go. You can see these are dual filament bulbs, so that it actually does the tail light and the blinker at the same time. So I got the replacement. This one happens to be 3157. So if you have a Caravan, it'd be the same one. So go ahead and put the new one in the same way the old one came out. I'll get it out of the package and we'll do that. Okay, so here's a fresh bulb. Go ahead and put that right back in the socket like the old one was. Okay, that looks good and right. So I will go ahead and put the whole socket assembly back in the lens. Okay, so just find where the tabs line up. So go ahead and rotate it up till you get into the tabs. And then turn it clockwise just a little bit, and that cinches it right down and it stops. So now you can go ahead and put the cover back on where it was. Here, let's show those little tabs in there where it lines up. There's a little points right there that line up with the hole back there. Get those lined up and then just push in, and then the screw hole should line up after that. Okay, just gave it a little pop and that went right in, nice and flush there. And then it's just those last two screws that you pulled out in the top and bottom there. And that's the end of the job, and everything should work right if the bulb was good and did the job right. So that's all we have for today. I hope it helps you if you have a job like this. So thanks for watching. What's happening there, Lucy?
It's working.
That's the whole idea. Good job.